dry it again, boil it same way if you want. If you want, you can dry it and powder it. You can use it, season up your meat or your vegetables. You know, because you know people out there love them meat.
My Jam Hearts family, I greet you from the School of Vision, Rastafarian community here in the Blue Mountains in St. Andrew, Jamaica. Yes, the Blue Mountains, you can see it over there. It's all clouds. I'm literally in the clouds, guys. But I'm not here so much for the sights and sounds, courtesy of my brother Joseph. I'm going to share 7 potent medicinal herbs for circulation with you. First though, a special shout out to 2 persons, Yvonne and Mary. They actually saw the video on high blood pressure. They saw the video on cold and flu herbs, and they pushed me. They asked for this one. So today, guys, this is for you. Special shout out to you. And to you, if you're here for the first time and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you now to join us. I'm on a journey to share what I call the real Jamaica, the real people of Jamaica, the essence of Jamaica, medicinal herbs of Jamaica, attractions in Jamaica, you name it, all the good stuff about Jamaica. I don't want you to miss any of that. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you now, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you see updated on my latest videos. Herbs for poor circulation. Let's go. All right, guys, here he is, my brother Joseph. Every time. Today we're doing 7 potent medicinal herbs for poor circulation. Thank you, man.
Yeah, man.
Thank you for answering the call, man.
Yes, sir.
All right, number 1.
All right. Number 1, we have cayenne pepper.
Cayenne pepper.
Yeah. One of the best circulation.
Yes.
In Jamaica, we call it bird pepper.
Bird pepper.
Yeah.
It's a little bit different in other countries, you say, right? They have different sizes, but that's it. That is the bad boy there, the cayenne pepper. How do you use it?
All right. You can just pick it off the tree same way. And you can even take 2 of them in the morning with some water.
Green or dry?
Whichever way you want.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah. Whether green or dry or ripe. Yeah.
You're not going to burn up your system, man?
No. Because you're going to just swallow it. And not like you're going to bite it.
Okay.
You just take it just like capsule. Yeah, you can powder it up also and use the powder. Sprinkle on your food. Make some hot beverage and drink it. No, you're going to taste the pepper when you powder it like that. Yeah. We also make it in capsule. Later on, we'll show you the capsule where you can take 2 of them also.
Oh, so 2 per day, you say, or anymore? 2 per day for how many days?
Like all all depends on how your circulation, because you have some people circulation system where all them foot swell up and clog up and you know what I mean? So until your system free up. Yes. Yeah. So like you can take a pack or 2 pack, depends on how. You know what I mean?
Yes. Yeah. Awesome. So bird pepper.
Bird pepper.
All right. That's number 1. Number 2.
Number 2. We have cinnamon leaf.
Cinnamon leaf. And guys, this gentleman have these stuff here, you know. He's not joking. He has them here in the hills of Blue Mountains. Yeah, man. This man is living the life here, man. I tell you, I admire him and the family here so much.
Yeah, so you have cinnamon leaf. You can boil it as tea and drink it. Some people put it all in the porridge. You're still getting the benefits. You can use it in the powder same way. You can use the stick, the bark. So whichever way you use it, as long as you consume cinnamon leaf, it is good for you. But it's best when you dry it though.
I was just about to ask you. So it's best, most herbs better to dry.
Because when they are green and you boil green herbs, it will flatter your liver.
Oh. Yeah.
So it's best, if you're going to use it without boiling it, you can just boil the water, wash it off, crush it up and turn off the fire and just crush it up and put it in the pot and let it jar.
Oh, okay.
But you don't boil green herbs.
Powerful. Straight from the Rastaman in the hills of Blue Mountain. Yeah, man. And you know you're talking about these men, these guys, this is their lifestyle, you know. He's not making this stuff. This is life. Yeah. So this is powerful information, first-hand information you're getting straight from the Rastaman. Back to that one though. How do you make the tea? How many leaves? If you're making the tea, how many leaves, my brother?
All right, it all depends on how strong you want it. You can use 3 leaves if you want. If you want it stronger, you can use 6 or so forth. Sometimes when I do it all more time, I just Papa for
Papa for the
all
whole him.
this. Yeah, man. I mean, like when my thing them strong.
Yes.
I'm a strong man.
Yeah, man. Obvious.
You know what I mean?
Give him a like right now for me, guys. Give him a like right now, man. I agree.
Yeah.
I agree. And for how long you drink it? It's similar, you say, just for, I know for herbs, they say like a week or so.
Yeah, like a week or so. As me said, depends on how your circulation system works.
Yes.
If you go 7 days and you see, you're going to see improvement from day one.
Yeah.
But it all, cause you have some people out there, I met a lot of people with even them foot through the circulation, them foot swollen.
But you have a couple family members like that, right?
Yeah,
now?
all right.
Yeah.
And them, so you find, say, clogged up. Too much protein in the system.
And the protein causes it?
Yes, too much protein clog up your blood, you know.
Man, if you do so easy for the meat. Easy for the meat. Some people feel guilty right now.
That's how you go, you know.
That's how you go. All right, but you are here. The herbs are here for healing of the nation.
Right.
Give God thanks for that.
That drag you away from ancient time.
Every time. That's number 2.
Right.
Number 3, my brother.
We have the rosemary.
Rosemary, powerful one.
Yeah,
Just before you say anything about rosemary, I'm going to tell you guys, there's another video on rosemary. General health benefits of rosemary in the description. You can't miss that one, you know.
All right. Normally, every herbs, it's best when you dry them.
Yeah.
Yes, so rosemary now is another good circulation problem. Herbs for the circulation problem. So you dry it again, you boil it same way if you want. If you want, you can dry it and powder it. You can use it, season up your meat or your vegetables. You know, 'cause you know people out there love them meat.
Yes.
But we, you know, you can use it with fish and your vegetables and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You can powder it and use it and just put it on your food same way if you want. We make capsule with it also if you want. You can make capsule.
Cool. We're gonna talk about that later. How they can guys are gonna talk about how you can get some of these capsule and stuff. But you said all different ways to use it.
Man. All these herbs you can use and make capsule, man. Once you dry them, you just powder them and get the original capsule filling. Fill them in.
And you got your stuff.
Yeah.
Rosemary, guys. All right, that's number 3. Number 4.
This is the papaya.
All right, now this will surprise some people.
Yes, man. Papaya.
Surprise me, certainly.
All right. Papaya is a very powerful herbs, man.
Yeah.
So this one now, you do it the same way. The only thing with this one is very bitter. So
it's bitter?
Yeah, man. It's a bitter herbs when you boil it.
Yeah.
So you go and dry it. If you don't like the bitterness, you can powder it and put it in capsules.
And just swallow it.
Yeah. And this now, not only circulation problem, it have a whole lot of benefits. Even in time of chikungunya, it help get rid of all those pain. Yes, even the other day with the current COVID. This is one will help a lot of people with pain and fever and all of those stuff.
Cool.
Man. So this herb is a very powerful herb, Rasta.
Nice. Nice. And this, drink it same way like the rest, as you say.
Same way. Just dry them. And boil it. And that's it. Yeah.
Papaya, guys. Number 4. Number 5.
We have the hibiscus.
Yes, man. And before you say it again, I want to remind my people, I did a video on hibiscus, the health benefits of hibiscus. Again, I've been doing a series on herbs. This is just one in the series. We do a lot of videos on medicinal herbs in Jamaica. Hibiscus happens to be one of them. Link in the description, check it out. What you say about it now?
Hibiscus. Circulation problem, same way. Yeah, man. And it have many other different benefits also. Even in foreign and out here, they even use all the rose part of it and dry it and make it like sorrel to drink it. Yeah,
I heard about that.
Yeah, man. We make it regular too.
Oh, you mean in the Rasta community?
Yes, man. We make it sometime and serve even on the Sabbath.
Wow, nice, man. Nice.
So it's a very nice, potent herb.
Yeah.
We use it make soap too. We make shampoo with it too.
Cool.
So and it's good. It's a good hair product too.
Yes. I know that.
It's lost of hair. Yeah.
It's an all-round. It's an all-round herb.
Herb is the healing of the nation, man. It's just we must come together and know what all these herbs are.
Utilize them. But this one would have probably surprised some people about the circulation. They probably didn't know about this. But thank you so much, man. So that's the same way you prepare. Is it leaves or the
You
flower?
can use any part of it.
Any part of it. Oh, guys, you hear somebody in the background. That Empress Asil in the background. You're going to see her later. There she is. She's the wife of this wonderful gentleman here. You're going to hear more about her. Very resourceful people here in the Blue Mountains, in the hills of the Blue Mountains, the Rastafarian community here in Jamaica. So that's the
Hibiscus.
hibiscus. That's number 5, I think. I hope you're counting with me, guys. Number 5. Number 6.
This is the guava leaf.
Guava, man.
Yeah.
Guava. Learning more and more
Yeah,
how
man,
powerful guava is.
Powerful something, man.
Guava, man. And these one look healthy and fresh, man.
Yes,
Out of the
man.
hills, Blue Mountain Hills.
Blue Mountain is very blessed, man.
Yeah.
Nearer to God.
You're at the guy. yes. Rightfully so.
Yes, I.
All right. So how you use this one?
All right. Same procedure.
Same leaves.
Yeah.
Leaves,
You
stems, or any part?
Leaves, stem, as long as a guava.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you dry it same way, the same procedure. But make sure you try to dry it in the full moon or dark night.
Yeah.
Best time.
okay, the
Once
full
the
moon.
moon full,
Yeah.
and going into the dark night, that
Yeah.
means everything is full.
Okay.
So
okay.
you're getting everything full from the herbs.
As I said that, I remember, guys, another video. I keep telling you because there's so many resources I have on here. I don't want you to miss them. There's another video about ram goat dash along. Malane from St. Mary talk about that, and she talk about a lot about like the moon and stuff like that. Ram goat dash along. You know, it's another powerful herb, my brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So link in the description for that one. So yes, so pick this one in there.
Same circulation problem.
Yeah.
Guava leaf. And
Yeah.
you know, people have guava leaf, guava all around.
All around.
So,
Wild, yeah,
yeah.
organically grown.
Yeah, man.
We don't put no pesticide, no
Yeah,
fungicide. Just make it grow.
Thank you very
And
much.
use it.
Guava, very energetic fruit too. You know, the fruit it is very energetic.
I know people running down guava these days, man. I didn't realize how powerful guava
Thank
is.
you very much.
Yeah, man. I know about soursop, but guava
Yeah,
surprised
man.
me.
Guava is energetic drink, man.
Yeah, and good for circulation,
Whole
obviously.
heap of- yes, I. Circulation problem and whole heap of other stuff too, you know. All prostate,
All
high
kind
blood
of something,
pressure
yeah.
and all them something.
Yes. All right, cool. So, and the same procedure is just
Same procedure.
dry
it,
or
boil
quail it, yeah?
Yes.
And drink it
and
for-
drink it for 7 days.
Yeah.
And more if you want.
And watch it and see.
Yes, I.
All right, good. So now, I was supposed to ask you, is it empty stomach, preferably like in the morning? That usually that what they say, right?
Anytime at all.
Anytime at all.
Anytime at all you can drink your herb. We as Rasta, we drink we herb anytime.
Anytime.
Yes,
Make-
I.
It's a lifestyle.
Yes, Rasta.
All right.
Anytime.
Every time.
Morning, noon, or night.
All right, good,
And
good.
plus we in a Blue Mountain where it's cold, so you don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Number 7, guys, and this one might surprise you guys. The big number 7, ladies and gentlemen. This one is
They call it the star fruit.
the star fruit.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, the Jimbil, aka Jimbilin. There's several other names I'm gonna
Yes.
share. You'll see a few other names in the description as well for this fruit. This is star fruit, Jimbilin. Yeah, man, tell us about this one.
All right, the same procedure. You just dry it. Yeah. Dry it at the same time in the full moon or dark night, and you dry it and you boil it. Yes. And you drink it for 7 days or more. Depends on it and your problem, as I said before. And that's it. Yeah, man.
These herbs, you say you use these herbs. You are the family here, the community here, use a lot of these herbs. So
Yeah, man.
this is first hand testimony.
Yes,
sharing.
I.
And it works.
Yes, I.
All right. All right, guys, there you have it. 7 medicinal herbs, locally grown herbs, wild. Most of them grow, actually, all of them grow wild
Yeah,
here in
man.
Jamaica. You don't need to buy anything, certainly for us. Right. But for those of you overseas who might want it though, I'm going to bring in Kempress Asil because they actually have a thriving herb business here in the Blue Mountains. I actually met them at one of the agricultural shows here in Jamaica. I was awed by these people and their line of products. So I'm gonna bring in Empress Azil. How you do?
Listen,
All right, yeah, man, beautiful as usual. I want you to tell us about some of the products that you have here. That you, if my brother Joseph could probably pull some of them. Meanwhile, you have the cayenne, you have the cinnamon, you have the rosemary. How do you have them in soaps, in oils?
well, we have the cinnamon. We have it very, very potent. I one I'm a lover.
You mean that one?
Cinnamon. yeah.
Rosemary one.
Yeah, the rosemary.
Yeah.
Very, very good. We make the soap from it, the oil, the shampoo. The shampoo is divine. If you look up at my locks, if me let it out, you wouldn't believe it.
Is the shampoo? Is the
And
rosemary
it's
shampoo?
The rosemary, the hibiscus.
Well, turn around and we see the locks, man. Show off the locks. Turn around. You don't have to pull it around. Just turn around. There's a lot of locks and it's
A
clean
lot.
and pretty, guys. See that?
Yes.
Empress
Like,
Asil, man.
this is the hibiscus. Hibiscus is very, very important. Right? It's good to drink. It's good to wash your hair. It's good for your skin. Hibiscus is one of the herbs that has natural Botox in it. So you know, if you go no beautician, if you go get tuck and pull up and all of that, hibiscus
Got
does it all.
All right.
From head to toe.
I'm gonna pull
We even have it in the soap also.
Okay.
Hibiscus is potent.
Yeah.
Right, very good. We have the coconut soap. We use a lot of coconut because we are Rasta. So we utilize coconut in every way.
So what are some of the other ones you have here?
We have charcoal. CM, the charcoal is made from coconut shells. So we utilize every part of the coconut. And it's very, very good for eczema, blackheads, acne. It sucks out impurities out of the skin, make your skin radiant and beautiful. We have neem, which are boss.
Yeah, neem boss.
Yes.
Stay tuned for the neem video, guys. Stay tuned for the neem video.
Neem is antibacterial, antifungal. It's good for eczema, acne, liver spot, ringworm, any skin infection.
You make it right
psoriasis, all of that. It's very good for it. Right? We have the cayenne pepper in capsules.
All right. So this is the one. Sorry, this is the one that my brother was telling me about. So you make it, powder it and make it in capsule, ready for the market.
Yes.
All right. And you have a few more here. You have the Ramgoat
Dashalang.
Yeah. We talk about that as well.
Yep. Very, very good.
Yeah. Turmeric.
We have turmeric also. That's what we have.
What are those?
These is oils. Again,
the neem the oil version.
Is very potent. Very, very potent neem is. So neem is good for any bacteria anyway. Even your scalp, whitlow, between your toe, everywhere. You think even itchy. Even if you go out on the road and look at dirty water splash by you and you come home and bathe, neem.
Take care of that. Okay, all right. I know you have a bunch of products. You don't have all your display here.
Yep.
If persons, this is just basically a subset, really, a little display of some of them products you guys have here. If persons are interested in getting any of them for any of the ailments or anything else, whether we mention it or not, how can they reach you?
Well, you can reach us on Instagram, which is Empress Aseel's Natural Products, or you can reach us at 424-2712.
Okay, 424-2712.
Yes.
876 because we're in Jamaica. It's on screen, guys, and it's also in the description. Reach out to them before they go. Give them a thumbs up for me now. And put health in the comments right now.
Yes.
These people know about health. They know what they're talking about. They live it here in the Blue Mountains. See them look red, them different from me, you know. You know the heat. Up here it's very cold, the Blue Mountains, Jamaica. And the company is
Empress Aseels.
Empress Aseels. That's the name of the company. Up, big up on yourself. Thank you so much, guys. Love it. All right, every time. Herbs for poor circulation, courtesy of Joseph and his Empress Aseel. You've learned. You know what to do. Share the information with somebody. Come on now, man. Share it now. Don't keep it to yourself. Help somebody. A and B, there's another video you need to see. Herbs for high blood pressure. Link in the description. It's in the card above. See you in that one.